Hi everyone, Katie here, and today we start a new series, 7 Days of Buns. Today we have the first day, Monday. It's gonna be one hairstyle in a week, so Tuesday bun will be uploaded next week. So let's start with the first day. Throw all of your hair behind and grab some hair from the top. Divide them into two equal parts. Then we're going to tie them together. So cross right section over the left and loop the right section up and through, just like you wanted to tie your shoe. Repeat the same thing, but join some new hair to the left and some to the right section. Cross right section over the left and bring left section up and through. Repeat the same thing to the bottom and tie with hair elastic. Then I want a little fuller look, so I gently pull apart the knots. Take some bobby pins and secure the knots to the head. Then I braid the rest of my hair normally and secure with elastic. Grab the end of your braid and begin rolling it underneath and pinning it into place. So this is how to do beautiful and simple knotted updo. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, and see you next week. Bye!